Hello, dear friends. Did you know 78% of seniors who try chair yoga feel less pain within just 1 week? Chair yoga isn't about twisting into pretzels. It's about gentle, supportive movement from a sturdy chair. Imagine waking up with less stiffness or reaching for a teacup without that familiar twinge. These small victories add up, helping you rediscover comfort and ease in your body. Chair yoga proves that gentle, consistent movement can be powerful, offering hope for anyone hesitant about exercise. It's never too late to start feeling better. Sometimes all it takes is taking a seat and breathing. What is chair yoga? It's a gentle, modified form of yoga you do, seated or using a chair for support. You get all the benefits: stretching, strengthening, calming your mind, without the worry of getting up and down from the floor. Chair yoga works the same muscles as traditional yoga, but with up to 90% more safety for seniors and those with mobility concerns. This means you can focus on movement, not fear, and enjoy a full-body experience. There's no pressure or competition, just gentle encouragement to move in ways that feel good for you. Chair yoga brings all the goodness of yoga to everyone, making each day a little easier and brighter. Doctors now recommend chair yoga not just for flexibility, but for its power to prevent falls. Chair yoga strengthens the deep, stabilizing muscles in your core, hips, and legs, your body's internal support system. When these muscles are strong, you're less likely to lose your balance, making daily activities safer and more enjoyable. Gentle, focused movements target these crucial muscles without stressing your joints. One student, Arthur, told me he feels steadier and more confident since starting chair yoga. Doctors see these results too. Chair yoga is a practical way to address one of seniors' biggest health concerns. Enhanced stability is the real game changer, helping you live more fully and independently. Traditional yoga on the floor can be tough as we age, but chair yoga transforms the practice into something accessible for everyone. With a chair, you can focus on movement and breath, not the worry of getting up or down. All the benefits, flexibility, posture, strength, and calm, are achievable with chair yoga. Movements can be easily modified, and there's no pressure to do anything uncomfortable. Chair yoga honors your body's needs, making yoga truly inclusive and empowering. It opens the door for everyone to enjoy the profound benefits of this ancient practice. Are you ready to infuse your day with a little bit of gentle movement? It's a fantastic way to kickstart your circulation, ease any stiffness, and simply feel more connected to your body. We're going to explore some simple exercises that you can easily do from the comfort of a chair. These movements are designed to be accessible and beneficial for everyone, no matter your current fitness level. Remember, the goal here is to feel good and to gently awaken your body. First things first, let's grab a sturdy chair. Make sure it's stable and won't move around while you're exercising. A chair without arms is ideal, as it will give you more freedom of movement. Once you have your chair, settle in comfortably. Take a moment to feel the support beneath you. We're creating a safe and supportive space for our bodies to move. Now let's focus on our posture. Sit tall, with your spine straight and your shoulders relaxed. Imagine a string gently pulling you up from the crown of your head. Keep your feet flat on the floor, providing a solid base of support. This alignment is important for proper breathing and efficient movement. Before we begin any movement, let's center ourselves with a deep breath. Inhale slowly and deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air. Feel your chest and abdomen expand, and then exhale completely, releasing any tension or stress you might be holding. Let's do that again. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, let's gently stretch our neck muscles. Gently lower your chin to your chest, feeling a stretch in the back of your neck. Don't force it. Just allow the weight of your head to create the stretch, and then, slowly and mindfully, lift your head back to center. Be aware of any sensations in your neck and shoulders. Next, we'll work on neck rotation. Turn your head slowly and gently to the right, looking over your shoulder as far as is comfortable. Pause for a moment, feeling the stretch in the side of your neck, then return to center. And now, let's repeat on the other side. Turn your head gently to the left. Time for some shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears, squeezing them tightly. Then, roll them back and down in a circular motion a few times, releasing any tension in your upper back and shoulders. Feel the movement lubricating your shoulder joints. Now let's reverse the direction. Roll your shoulders forward, up, and then down. Extend your arms straight out in front of you, and gently circle your wrists in one direction. And now, let's get some movement into our fingers. Wiggle your fingers, spreading them wide and then closing them into a gentle fist. Let's move down to our lower body. lift one foot slightly off the floor and circle your ankle, rotating it gently in one direction. And then, switch feet and repeat the ankle circles on the other side. These simple warm-ups are a wonderful way to release tension that may have built up in your body throughout the day. And they also help to get your energy flowing, leaving you feeling more alert and invigorated. Remember, even a few minutes of gentle movement incorporated into your daily routine can make a big difference in how you feel, both physically and mentally. It's crucial to listen to your body throughout these exercises, and always move at your own pace, respecting your body's limitations and needs. There's no need to push yourself too hard. You're doing wonderfully. Keep up the great work and enjoy the benefits of these simple movements. Let's explore gentle movements, designed to bring comfort and ease to your body. We'll focus on simple yet effective exercises that you can do right from the comfort of your chair. Remember, the key is to listen to your body and move at a pace that feels right for you. These movements are all about promoting well-being and improving your overall quality of life. So, let's get started and discover the benefits of chair-based exercises for your upper body and core. These areas are essential for maintaining balance, posture, and overall strength. We'll be targeting specific muscle groups to help improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, and enhance your range of motion. By engaging in these gentle exercises, you'll be promoting better circulation, relieving tension, and fostering a greater sense of well-being in your body. Sit tall, ensuring your spine is straight and your shoulders are relaxed. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air, and reach your right arm up, extending towards the ceiling. Feel the stretch along your side as you reach higher, lengthening your spine and creating space in your rib cage. This simple movement can help improve your posture and increase flexibility in your upper body. Then lean left for a side stretch. Gently bend your torso to the left, allowing your right arm to extend further overhead. Feel the stretch along your right side, from your fingertips down to your hip. This stretch can help release tension in your side muscles and improve flexibility in your spine. Remember to breathe deeply and maintain a comfortable position throughout the movement. Return to center, bringing your right arm back down to your side, and take a moment to breathe and recenter yourself. Now prepare to repeat on the other side, raising your left arm and leaning to the right. This balanced approach ensures that you're working both sides of your body equally, promoting overall symmetry and well-being. For a seated twist, which is excellent for spinal mobility and core engagement, we'll use the chair for support. This exercise helps to improve flexibility in your spine, release tension in your back muscles, and promote better posture. It's a gentle yet effective way to keep your spine healthy and mobile. Place your left hand on your right knee, providing gentle leverage, and your right hand on the chair behind you, using it for support and stability. Ensure that your shoulders are relaxed and your spine is straight before initiating the twist. This setup is crucial for performing the twist safely and effectively. Inhale to lengthen your spine, creating space between your vertebrae, and exhale to twist right, gently rotating your torso towards the right. Focus on twisting from your mid-back, keeping your neck relaxed and your gaze soft. This controlled movement helps to improve spinal mobility and release tension in your back muscles. Repeat on the left, placing your right hand on your left knee and your left hand on the chair behind you. Remember to inhale to lengthen and exhale to twist, maintaining a gentle and controlled movement. This balanced approach ensures that you're working both sides of your spine equally, promoting overall flexibility and well-being. Try seated cat-cow, a wonderful exercise for improving spinal flexibility and promoting gentle movement in your core. This exercise helps to release tension in your back, improve posture, and stimulate circulation in your spine. It's a great way to start your day or to take a break from sitting for long periods. Hands on knees, providing a stable base for the movement. Ensure that your feet are flat on the floor and your shoulders are relaxed. This position allows you to engage your core muscles and move your spine with greater ease and control. Inhale to arch your back and open your chest, drawing your shoulder blades together and lifting your gaze slightly. Feel the stretch in your chest and the gentle compression in your lower back. This movement helps to improve posture and increase flexibility in your spine. Exhale to round your spine and tuck your chin towards your chest, drawing your navel towards your spine and releasing the tension in your back. Feel the stretch in your upper back and the gentle compression in your abdomen. This movement helps to release tension in your spine and improve core stability. Move slowly, transitioning smoothly between the cat and cow poses, allowing your breath to guide your movement. Avoid any jerky or sudden movements, and focus on maintaining a gentle and controlled rhythm. This mindful approach helps to deepen the connection between your breath and your body. Coordinating breath and movement. Inhale as you arch your back and open your chest, and exhale as you round your spine and tuck your chin. This synchronization of breath and movement helps to calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and promote a greater sense of well-being. These stretches improve posture, helping you to stand taller and feel more confident. Good posture is essential for maintaining spinal health, reducing back pain, and improving overall body alignment. By incorporating these stretches into your daily routine, you can gradually improve your posture and enhance your quality of life. Flexibility, allowing you to move with greater ease and comfort. Flexibility is crucial for maintaining joint health, preventing injuries, and improving overall mobility. By regularly stretching your muscles and joints, you can increase your range of motion and enjoy a more active and fulfilling lifestyle. And core strength. A strong core is essential for maintaining balance, stability, and overall body strength. By engaging your core muscles during these exercises, you can improve your posture, reduce back pain, and enhance your ability to perform everyday activities with greater ease and confidence. One student, Eleanor, who has been practicing these chair exercises regularly, has experienced significant improvements in her overall well-being. She finds that these gentle movements have helped her to stay active, maintain her independence, and enjoy a higher quality of life. Found her back less stiff, allowing her to move with greater ease and comfort throughout the day. She no longer experiences the same level of discomfort and stiffness that she used to, and she is able to participate in activities that she previously found challenging. And her daily comfort improved, making it easier for her to perform everyday tasks and enjoy her favorite hobbies. She feels more energetic, more mobile, and more confident in her ability to live a full and active life. Always listen to your body. It's your best guide. Pay attention to any sensations you may be experiencing and adjust your movements accordingly. If something feels uncomfortable or painful, ease off and modify the exercise to suit your individual needs. Ease off if anything feels uncomfortable. There's no need to push yourself beyond your limits. The goal is to find a comfortable and sustainable way to move your body and improve your overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key, so focus on making these exercises a regular part of your routine. The goal is to find more ease, more comfort, and more joy in your movements. These exercises are designed to help you feel better in your body, reduce stress, and improve your overall quality of life. So, relax, breathe deeply, and enjoy the process of moving your body with gentle awareness. Not to push through pain. Pain is a signal that something is not right, so it's important to respect your body's limits and avoid any movements that cause discomfort. If you experience pain, stop the exercise and consult with a healthcare professional. Every gentle movement counts, no matter how small or subtle it may seem. Even a few minutes of gentle exercise each day can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. So be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the journey of moving your body with awareness and intention. You're making a positive difference for yourself, taking proactive steps to improve your health and enhancing your overall quality of life. By incorporating these chair exercises into your daily routine, you're investing in your well-being and empowering yourself to live a more active, fulfilling, and independent life. Now let's focus on legs and balance. These are the foundation of our mobility, and maintaining their strength and stability is crucial as we age. We'll be performing these exercises from a seated position, ensuring they're accessible and safe for everyone. Remember to listen to your body and only do what feels comfortable. Leg strength and balance are so important for walking confidently. A strong lower body allows us to navigate our environment with greater ease and reduces the risk of falls. Good balance ensures stability, preventing stumbles and promoting overall well-being. Think of these exercises as an investment in your independence and quality of life. Sit tall, engaging your core muscles to support your spine. Extend your right leg straight out in front of you, keeping your knee as straight as is comfortable. You should feel a gentle stretch in the back of your thigh. Now, flex your foot, pulling your toes towards your shin. Hold this position for a few seconds, feeling the stretch in your calf muscle, and then lower your legs slowly and with control. This controlled movement is key to building strength and stability. Repeat the same exercise with the left leg. Remember to maintain good posture throughout the movement and breathe deeply. Consistent practice will gradually improve your leg strength and flexibility. Now let's try some gentle leg lifts. These are a great way to further strengthen your thigh muscles. Lift your right foot just a few inches off the ground, keeping your knee bent. Hold this position, engaging your thigh muscles, and then slowly lower your foot back down. Focus on maintaining control throughout the movement. Repeat the same gentle leg lift with the left leg. Remember to breathe evenly and maintain good posture. These small movements can make a big difference in your overall leg strength. Next, we'll do toe taps. This simple exercise improves circulation and flexibility in your feet and ankles, followed by heel raises while seated. These exercises help to strengthen your calf muscles and improve ankle stability. Toe taps and heel raises help ankle flexibility and circulation, which are essential for maintaining good balance and preventing injuries. If you feel steady and comfortable, we can move on to a slightly more challenging exercise. Try standing up and sitting down a few times. This exercise, known as sit-to-stands, is excellent for building leg strength and improving balance. Feel free to use your hands for support on the arms of the chair, especially when you're first starting out. The goal is to gradually reduce your reliance on your hands as your leg strength improves. These small movements build strength in your legs and core, which are essential for maintaining good posture and balance. This increased strength translates directly into improved ability for walking and climbing stairs, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. David, one of my students, struggled with balance and confidence when walking before starting these exercises. Now, after incorporating these gentle leg and balance exercises into his routine, he feels much more secure and confident on his daily walks. This transformation is thanks to these simple yet effective exercises that he practices regularly. Remember, every bit of movement helps. Even small amounts of exercise can contribute to significant improvements in your strength and balance. Do what you can, listen to your body, and celebrate your progress, no matter how small it may seem. Consistency brings results. The more consistently you practice these exercises, the more benefits you'll experience. Balance and strength are within your reach. With dedication and consistent effort, you can improve your mobility and independence. Keep moving, stay active, and enjoy the many benefits that come with improved strength and balance. You're taking wonderful steps for your health, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. One of yoga's greatest gifts is learning to use your breath for calm and focus. When we're stressed, our breath gets shallow. Slowing it down signals your body to relax. Sit comfortably, close your eyes if you like, and notice your natural breath. Inhale gently, letting your belly expand. Exhale slowly, feeling your body relax. Try making your exhale a little longer than your inhale for extra calm. Practice this mindful breathing anytime you need a moment of peace. Even a minute or two can lower stress and bring clarity. Your breath is a powerful tool for inner peace. Use it often. It's a gift you can give yourself anytime. As we wrap up, remember the wonderful benefits chair yoga brings. Thanks for tuning in, fellow nerds and wise warriors. If you had fun leveling up your fitness with this video, don't forget to explore the rest of the channel for more epic quests toward health. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just starting your journey, I have plenty of tips, tricks, and laughs to keep you moving. Smash that like button, subscribe for more wisdom and gains, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Your support strengthens this guild. Let's keep crushing it together. Improved balance means more confidence and freedom in daily life. Gentle movement eases aches and pains, helping you feel more comfortable and limber. Chair yoga lifts your mood, reduces stress, and builds strength for everyday tasks. All you need is a sturdy chair and a few minutes a day. Celebrate every small success and share your journey with a friend. Chair yoga adds life to your years and joy to your days. You deserve to feel good. Let chair yoga help you get there.